Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Live on Facebook. I wasn't planning on doing a Facebook Live this week. I should have done my online power class yesterday, and I had some work things come up, so I couldn't get to it, and I've rescheduled that for the 15th. So I wasn't planning on doing a Facebook Live this week, but then this box has turned up, and it's got some very exciting things in it, so I thought I would share. Hope you are well today. If you are watching this later on, it will still be on Facebook, or I will be posting it to my YouTube channel at some point. I think probably next Wednesday, because that will tie in with what is in this box. So before I completely open it, as a demonstrator, I get the absolute privilege of pre-ordering new goodies, and that's what's in here. So we have got Sale-a-bration going on at the moment. It goes on all the way through to the end of March, but you can see the mess on my desk. But next week, the 15th, there are some new Sale-a-bration products launching, which is what is in here. So there are some other bits in here as well. I have some team gifts and things in here, so excuse me if I just sort of rummage. Throw all the plastic on the floor, get rid of that. So I will get to the not exciting stuff first. I have a stamp set for a team member who has been with us for 12 months. So Catherine, I told you it was coming. I should have sent it out at the end of last month, but I just didn't get to it. I have some cellophane bags I use to package classes. And because I spent more than £45, I got a free Sale-a-bration item, and I picked the Sweet Soiree Memories and More card pack. I've seen some amazing things done with this, and I cannot wait to give it a go. So I'm going to try some cards and things with that, probably in the next couple of weeks. So you can watch out on the blog for that. And then the other thing, the other exciting thing, every demonstrator that places an order at the moment, their first order gets one of these fabulous Stampin' Up 30th anniversary badges, because Stampin' Up is 30 this year, and there are some big celebration things going on. I cannot wait for April when we get to see some more of those celebrations on stage, which is the Stampin' Up demonstrator exclusive event. So we've all got one of these badges, and I'm really pleased because I did get one of these in November, on stage in November, and I can't find it. I was looking for it the other day and I'm going, I don't know where it is. I cannot find it anywhere, so I've got another one of those. And then we get to the new Sale-a-bration goodies. So I'm going actually to pull everything out of the box and move the box out of the way. I think that's probably the easiest way to do this. So let's just do that. Ooh. So we have the new Sale-a-bration little booklet. Let me just tilt you down a bit further, that's better. The new Sale-a-bration booklet, which shows exactly what all the new items, plus the ones that we have still got going on. So all the ones that you can get now are still available. You still get the Celebrate You dies, the ribbons, those fabulous pandas. They're all still there. Plus, from next Wednesday, the 16th of February, you can order some new goodies. So we have the Eclectic Expressions stamp set. I love this. This was like, we saw the brochure online one day last week, and this was the first thing that caught my eye. I'm looking forward to making some fabulous cards with that. And then I'm going to get to the other bit in a minute. We've got this paper. I'm so excited for this paper. This is the Springtime Foil Specialty Paper. Now, Springtime foils. I think the key word here is foil. And I believe it's in all three colours, so I think there's gold, silver and copper in here. So I'll pull it all out of the horrible crinkly bag. Right. Oh, look at that. They are single-sided paper, so there's nothing on the reverse. They are just so pretty. We have got copper, dots. Oh, there's 3 pieces of that. There are 3 pieces of this silver and gold leaf. There are 3 pieces of striped paper, and I've just had a text message from my mum I'll have to give her a ring in a moment. When I finish this, bless her, I spent all of Monday, well, most of Monday morning in fracture clinic with her because she has dislocated her shoulder. So if I suddenly disappear, it's because my mum's actually rang. And how pretty is that? It's a kind of shiny paper. It's not matte like our normal paper, but that is so pretty. Copper and gold. Loving that. And then we have, and so, what's it called? Eclectic Expressions, I will get the names, and the Springtime Force paper are available from next Wednesday for free when you place a £45 order. And then we have these two. So we've got the Blossoming Basket and, what's this one called? The Basket Weave Dynamic Impressions folder. Now, you can, I believe, let me just double check, because I think you can choose them as individual items. No, I'm lying. These are a bundle. We could have picked them as individual items as when we were pre-ordering. This is a fabulous bundle. You get both items when you spend £90. So you can spend £90 in the shop. You can choose this as a bundle for free. How cool is that? So this is a red rubber stamp set. That's going to look amazing with Stampin' Blends. And the Basket Weave Dynamic Embossing Folder, which is one of these thick ones. So you only need one of your Big Shot cutting plates to put that through. That is going to be gorgeous, actually. I'm really looking forward to using that. So they are all the new Sale-a-bration goodies. You can, of course, get them now by adding them to a starter kit and becoming a part of Stampin' Up. If you want to know more about becoming a Stampin' Up demonstrator, do check out my blog post for today. The link will be on my Facebook page, because I've waffled on about how much I love being part of Stampin' Up, and two, the reason why I joined in the first place. So, thank you ever so much for joining me. Short and sweet, so I can go and ring my mum and check that she's absolutely okay. And I will see you again really soon. Actually, you will see me really, really soon, because I have got a short Facebook Live video planned for Saturday. So see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.